2018 Chevrolet Express. The Chevrolet Express is ranked among the highly grossing commercial vehicles in North America. The Express is the sibling of the GMC Savana that is even a commercial van. Well, these are the business vehicles which much of their strength implicated in the heavy-duty jobs. That was 1995 when the Express and Savana were introduced. The Express was introduced to replace the Beauville, also called the Chevrolet van. The Chevrolet van was also a heavy-duty business runner that remained in service for almost 31 years. But after such a long time, it became necessary to discontinue the van and bring in a new brand. Especially, the Ford vans made it mandatory to bring in a new generation under a different badge. Because the competition got stiffer. At this time, North American markets were not relying on the purely American vans. Well, just after a few years, the Chevrolet introduced the younger sibling of the Express. It is the City Express, available for the North American market. Besides everything else, the Express and the Savana, they are still the favorites for the North American market. They are almost demanded 45% more than the other vans in the market. Out of that, the Express is sold more than Savana in the US. The Express had been improved time to time. Almost in every year of its service, some improvements had been introduced for this car. The recent improvement had been made last year for the present year models. There are two main models for this car. The passenger van includes 3 trim levels and the cargo van has 4 trim level. And the cargo van is the cheapest version of the Express, priced as low as $31,295.